Welcome to Height, the autonomous project management tool that's designed to take the burden of manual task management off your shoulders. Built for teams who design, build, and innovate, Height handles the grunt work so you can focus on creating and delivering results. Imagine a tool that keeps your projects up to date without you lifting a finger. Height automatically tracks scope changes, links edits to your specifications, and organizes your backlog with ease. You no longer need to spend hours triaging bugs or manually tagging tasks. Height does it all for you. When a bug comes in, Height springs into action, prioritizing and assigning it instantly. Critical issues are escalated, ensuring they don't slip through the cracks. And managing your backlog? Height sorts and tags everything by feature, estimate, and more, so your list stays clean and focused on what matters. Height is designed to keep teams in sync, no matter how you work. Whether you prefer spreadsheets, Kanban boards, Gantt charts, or calendar views, Height's multiplayer functionality lets you collaborate live, with everyone seeing updates as they happen. This means no more endless status meetings or scrambling for updates. Height keeps everything flowing smoothly. Height is more than just a project management tool, it's your project's intelligence engine. It identifies blockers before they become bottlenecks, maps task dependencies, and prepares real-time progress reports so you're always up to speed. Think of it as your personal project assistant, keeping things on track without you having to micromanage. Height adapts to your needs, not the other way around. Customize your workspace however you like, from themes and icons to keyboard shortcuts and visualization. Every team is different, and Height ensures that you have the flexibility to build a workspace that fits your workflow. Is your backlog piling up with outdated tasks? Height takes care of that too, automatically deduplicating tasks and closing stale items so your team can focus on what's relevant right now. No more sifting through outdated to-do lists, just a clean, organized workspace that keeps you productive. It's time to put project management on autopilot. Start your first autonomous project with Height for free, and discover a smarter way to manage your work. Let Height take care of the details, so you can focus on what really matters, building together. Visit height.app and take your project management to the next level. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Champion EdTech for more exciting AI content.